Hi, my name is Joana Patricia Pedraza. I am 25 years old. I live in Ritama, Boyacá. I study environmental engineering. The monument that I chose is Basilica of Our Lady, the Rosary of Chiquinquirá. It is located at 95 kilometers towards the west of Tunja. Chiquinquirá is declared free of the colonial government on September 1st of 1810. It is a point that connects Bogotá and the center of the country with Bucaramanga and the Caribbean coast. In this municipality of Boyacá, whose average temperature is 15 Celsius degrees, the devotion for the Virgin of Chiquinquirá is so big and holds image in the Basilica of Our Lady of the Rosary of Chiquinquirá. An essential place to visit in Chiquinquirá is the Basilica of Our Lady of the Rosary of Chiquinquirá, where the image of the Virgin of the Rosary is present, painted in 1562 by the Spanish artist Alonso de Narvaez. The image became too much deteriorated and especially venerated because it is said that on December 26 of 1586 is shown with its own light, and in it the miracle of the renewal took place.